Okay, Nana. Okay, I understood. I got it.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, Anubhav. Downloads, which is class 7 or directly we'll go with the multi-division part, children. Like signs, if you are dividing means you will get plus result. Unlike sign, you are dividing means minus result. Based on that, we have few more sums. We will discuss those. Then we can go with the right size sum. Yes, division of integers. And today we will complete the chapter, children. We have last exercise it is. Yeah. And division of integers. Hope you are able to understood, children. Voice is getting. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Negative integer divided by negative integer. What we will get, children?
Ma'am, positive integer.
Very good. And positive integer divided by positive integer.
Ma'am,
What we
positive
will
integer.
Positive.
positive. And these are like signs. Like signs means
Positive.
positive. Positive. And now coming to the any one of the negative. Any one, either numerator or denominator. You will get
Ma'am, negative.
Negative, ma'am.
negative. Very good. And the same way positive divided by negative is
Ma'am,
also
negative. Negative.
very good, Nana. These are unlike signs. Unlike signs, negative. That's all. This is the base point, children. This is our basic to do the sums. Once base point is thorough with you, we can move to the next. Yeah. Let me go with our exercise part. Now, everyone, you people, both of you share the questions and you can do it, children. First, can we start with Varshit? Varshit,
Yes.
are you able to see? Yeah, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, first bit, first two bits you can.
First two, ma'am.
Yeah.
Evaluate each of the following. Minus 30 divided by 10.
Mhm.
Ma'am is equals to 3, ma'am. Minus 3.
Very good. The second bit, Nana.
Ma'am, B 50 divided by minus 10. Ma'am, minus 10. Ma'am.
Minus 10. Very good. Now question goes to Anubhav, C and D.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, C number, ma'am, positive 4.
Very good. Positive 4. Very good. D
And
bit.
ma'am, D bit, it will be negative 1, ma'am.
Negative 1. Very good. Very good. Coming to E bit. E bit is a little different one, you see, children. There is, before going to solve, you should simplify the denominator. Denominator is an addition part is left. What
Yes,
is,
ma'am.
yeah. Here, yeah, Varshit, can you answer what is the sum of negative 2 and 1?
Ma'am, it's negative 1, ma'am.
It's negative 1. So 13 divided by negative 1 is?
Negative 13, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Coming to Anubhav.
Ma'am,
Anubhav,
F1, it's minus.
Yes, ma'am.
0 divided by negative 12.
Ma'am, 0 only.
Any number, 0 divided by any number is 0, children. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
next, coming to the G bit. Denominator, Anubhav, what is Anubhav? What is the denominator part in G bit?
Ma'am, 1.
Denominator is sum of negative 30 and minus 1.
Ma'am, 31.
Which sign?
Minus 31.
Ma'am, negative 31.
Then negative 31 divided by negative 31 is?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
positive 1.
1.
Very good, very good, very good. Now H bit is reverse, children. They gave numerator part and first you should simplify. No. First you should simplify brackets. Then you have to do further division. What is negative 36 by 12?
Ma'am, should I answer or Anubhav?
No, bracket should be solved first. Nana. Bracket, what you
Yes,
have in
ma'am.
brackets? Negative
Yes, ma'am.
36 by 12.
Yes, ma'am. But is it my chance or his chance, ma'am?
What Varshit?
Is it my chance or his chance, ma'am?
Okay. You can answer Varshit. Then we'll go with Anubhav last bit.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 36 divided by 12 is equals minus 36 divided by 12 is ma'am minus 3, ma'am. Minus 3 divided by 3 is equals to 1, ma'am. Minus 1.
Very good, Nana. That's all. Go with I bit. Anubhav, please explain Anubhav 6 I
Yes,
bit.
ma'am.
I for
Yes, ma'am. Minus 6 plus 5, it will be minus 1. And then divided by minus 2 plus 1, it is also negative 1. So,
very good.
ma'am, negative 1 divided by negative 1, it will be positive 1.
Very good, Nana. Very good. Yes, Varshit, is it correct, Anubhav?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now coming to the verification. Verification, I said many times, Nana. Verification, you have to see the property. By looking the property only, you can say. Here A divided by B plus C. What property it is? I think distributive property. We have only multiplication over addition and multiplication over subtraction is true. Remaining all cases are not true. Yes. We'll do second bit later. Now the turn once again go to Varshit. Varshit, third bit A1.
Ma'am, 369 divided by dash is equals to 369. 369 divided by 1. Positive
Very
1.
good. B bit, Anubhav.
Yes, ma'am. Minus 75 divided by dash equal to minus 1. Ma'am, minus 75 divided by minus 1. No, ma'am, positive 1.
Very positive one. No.
Yes, ma'am,
Think once
positive 1.
again. Think better. Think and give once again correct answer. Okay, positive. Denominator is positive. What number?
Ma'am, 75. Sorry, ma'am.
Oh, yeah. Can you please repeat the complete question?
Ma'am, minus 75 divided by positive 75 equals to minus 1.
Very good. Now C bit goes to Varshit.
Ma'am, minus 206 divided by dash is equals to minus 1. Minus 206 divided by minus 206 is equals to 1, ma'am.
Very good, Nana. Same number divided by same number only, you will get minus plus 1. Very good. Now go to Anubhav.
Ma'am, negative 87 divided by dash equal to 87. Ma'am, negative 87 divided by minus 1. Ma'am, equal to
Very
87.
good, very good. Negative by negative only positive result. So 87 as it is you have, so you have to divide with minus 1. Now go to E bit with whom? I think it is with
Ma'am,
Varshit.
Varshit.
Yeah.
Dash divided by 1 is equals to minus 87. Minus 87 divided by 1 is equals to minus 87.
Very good. F bit, Anubhav.
Yes, ma'am. Dash divided by 48 equals to minus 1. Ma'am, it will be minus 48 divided by 48 equals to minus 1.
Excellent. Good. Varshit, go with Z.
Ma'am, 20 divided by dash is equals to minus 2, ma'am. 20 divided by minus 10 is equals to minus 2, ma'am.
Very good. Excellent. Good. Next, H bit for Anubhav.
Ma'am, dash divided by 4 equals to minus 3. Ma'am, minus 12 divided by 4 equals to minus 3.
Excellent, excellent. Very good, Nana. That's about your third bit. Second bit verification part we will do. Wait, children, wait, don't worry. Now, write 5 pairs of integers a, b such that a divided by b is minus 3. One pair is 6 and minus 2 because 6 divided by minus 2 is minus 3. You need to make 5 pairs. Can you text me what are the 5 pairs, please? Yeah, please. Both of you, please text me 5 pairs. Who will give first? You have to make such a 5 pairs. A divided by b should be equal to minus 3. Any 5 pairs, you have to make your own pairs. Think and make.
Ma'am, I sent ma'am all 5.
Okay, Nana, Varshit, I'm checking. 1 minute, Nana. Nana, Varshit,
Ma'am,
minus 3 divided by 9 అయితే minus 1 by 3 కదా నాన్న. బిగ్ నంబర్ డినామినేటర్ లో ఉంటే డినామినేటర్ లో కదా బిగ్ నంబర్ వస్తుంది.
sorry ma'am, I just typed it wrong.
అది ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయనా.
Yes,
అన్ని
ma'am.
ఫోర్త్ థర్డ్ బిట్ కూడా చూడు.
Yes,
సెకండ్
ma'am.
అండ్ ఫోర్త్ వన్ కరెక్ట్.
Okay,
ఫస్ట్
ma'am.
థర్డ్ వన్ డినామినేటర్ యు ఆర్ గివెన్ బిగ్ నంబర్, సో ఇట్స్ నాట్ ట్రూ.
Okay, ma'am.
What about Anubhav is giving answer not yet? Anubhav, are you there?
Ma'am, sent, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay,
sent.
okay. Very good. First one is correct. Second one is correct. Third one is correct. Fourth one is correct. Fifth one. Very good, Anubhav. Good, good. Varshit, think about second, first and fourth, Nana.
Okay, ma'am.
Denominator should be greater means that you have to get fractions, not. Yeah, can we move to the next bit, children?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll finish up today the chapter and we are going with a small quiz. That's all today. I'm not going to start new chapter. Next class we can go with new chapter. Who will read the question? Anubhav, can you read, Nana? Question number 5.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, here it is written the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above zero. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero? What would be the temperature at midnight?
Nana, you see here, the temperature at 12 noon was given 10 degrees Celsius above zero. That means plus 10 degrees Celsius. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees per hour until midnight, noon to midnight, how many hours? Noon to midnight, how many hours?
Ma'am, 12 hours.
12 hours. If it is decreased 2 degree per hour means 2 into 12 into 2. 12 2s are?
Ma'am, 24.
Or minus, decreasing means minus. So initially 10 degrees Celsius minus 24 means what is the answer? The
Ma'am, is
temperature
it
at midnight
-14?
is? The temperature at midnight is?
Ma'am, -14 degrees Celsius.
Excellent, excellent. At what time would temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero? That means -8.
Yes, ma'am.
At what time temperature be -8? If 14 degrees, 12 means 11 o'clock, 12 degrees. 10 o'clock, 10 degrees. 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock, -8 degrees. So at 9 p.m. the temperature was
-8 degrees Celsius.
8 degrees below zero. Varshit, did you understood the question or else can I help through board?
Ma'am, I understood it, ma'am.
What is just, I'll give a small clue. Orally we discussed, but a small clue we are going.
Okay, ma'am.
They gave 12 degrees temperature at room was about 10 degrees Celsius. Starting, what is the temperature, room temperature, children?
Ma'am, 10 degrees Celsius.
Above 0 until 10 degrees Celsius. Decrease every hour, decrease temperature decrease in every hour.
Ma'am,
Temperature is every hour is how much? 2 degrees Celsius. That means decrease minus. So this is temperature at 12 noon. 12 noon. At midnight, 12 noon, not 12 noon. At midnight 12. Midnight 12. What is the temperature at midnight 12?
-24 degrees Celsius.
12, initially 10 degrees Celsius, and it happens at 2 degrees decrease, means -2 into 12 hours. So 10 degrees Celsius minus 24 degrees Celsius, which is -14 degrees Celsius. So at 12 noon, it's 14 degrees. 12 midnight -14 degrees Celsius. So 11 p.m. means 11 p.m.
Ma'am,
decreasing, right? 2 degrees.
Celsius.
12 p.m. Sorry, not 10 p.m.
-10 degrees Celsius.
Degrees Celsius. 9 p.m. means
-8 degrees Celsius.
-8 degree. That's why -8 we can write it as below zero. 8 degrees Celsius below zero.
Yes, ma'am.
So we can, that's the 9 p.m. temperature was -8 degrees Celsius. You can write conclusion statement. Now, Varshit, please go to the question number 6, Varshit.
Yes, ma'am. In a class test, +3 marks are given for every correct answer and -2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. And no marks are for not attempting any question. First, Radha scored 20 marks if she had got 12 correct answers. How many questions has she attempted incorrectly?
Very good. See, in class test, for correct answer, how many marks? Now, the same type we did in multiplication also. See, for correct mark, for correct marks, 3 marks are given for correct. 2 marks are given for wrong. No marks given for not attempting. Radha scored 20 marks. If she got 12 correct, first what is given you have to write, children. That's more important. Given is
Okay.
for
Ma'am,
correct answer. Given what is given in the question?
Ma'am, correct answers +3, ma'am. For correct answers.
Correct answer. Very good. For correct answer +3.
For
For
incorrect
incorrect
answers, -2, ma'am.
-2 marks. Okay. What about Radha or Radhika? Someone who is that?
Radha, ma'am.
Radha scores is how much?
Ma'am, 20 marks.
20 marks. She did how many correct?
Ma'am, 12.
12 correct. So you should find out how many incorrect. 12 correct answer. How many incorrect? How many attempted incorrect? Yeah. Okay. 12 correct means 12 into 3. We don't know x incorrect. Incorrect -2 together. She's 20. Now 12 is 36. Minus 2x is equal to 20. If you transpose minus 2x as it is, you keep this 20 minus 36 other side. So minus 2x is equal to minus 16. So minus minus get cancelled on both sides. X is equal to 16 by 2, which is 8. 8 questions she scored incorrect. 8 questions incorrect. Hope you understood, ma.
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Yes, coming to the next part. That's Mohini scores -5 marks in the test. Though she got 7 correct answers. So what is the scores of Mohini? Mohini scored only -5. -5 marks she scored. Mohini, about this is Radha. This is Radha. This is Mohini. Mohini, what happened? She scored -5 marks total. Even though she corrected 7 correct. 7 into 3. And we don't know incorrect, take as x and -2 for incorrect. 7 3s are 21. -2x is equal to -5. -2x is equal to -5 and -21. -2x is -26. Minus x is -26 by -2, which is 13. 13 incorrect. 7 correct, so that she will get negative marks as 5, -5.
Okay.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Incorrect. Now, this is, yes, Anubhav, hope you understood, Anubhav, this calculation.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt, Varshit?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Simplification, any doubt, transposition method, here to there, there to here?
No, ma'am, no doubt, ma'am, in this.
No doubt. Very good, Nana. Now, last question for Anubhav. Anubhav, please. Elevator question, please.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, an elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 350 meter?
Very good question, Nana. Actually, this is a beautiful question. An elevator descends. Descends means it is going down into mine shaft at the rate of 6 meters per minute. In 1 minute, 6 meters going down. It descent starts at about 10 meters ground. And how long it takes to reach minus 350 meters? Wonderful question, actually. I'll go with the diagrammatically. I'll help you. The elevator is 10 meters above the ground. It's a very important question to children. This is, if you say this is a ground, elevator is above 10 meters. Here, the position of elevator is here right now. What happened for every hour? What happened? It descends for every minute. It descends 6 minutes, 6 meters per minute. Yes, same thing only, right? Let me check once. It is 6 meters per minute. So at what time it descends minus 350? So to reach somewhere to reach minus 350, how much time it takes? So you can write, ma. How you can write? How you can write? How you can write the equation? Please think and let me know. To reach negative 350, that means the distance covered is negative 350. We don't know. 1 minute, 6 meters it is traveling. 10 plus 6 into what number? No, here 6 2s are 12. This 10 meters, if you transpose to other side, it becomes 6 into what number makes you minus 360. So question mark, if you want to find out minus 360 by 6, it takes 60 minutes to reach 350 meters, students.
Ma'am, or
That
1
means
hour.
1 hour. It's
No,
1
1
hour.
hour.
60 minutes. Yeah, 1 hour. How did you understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Because the total distance you see here 10 meters, here from here to here 250 meters. Total distance is 350 plus 10, which is 360.
50,
360 meter. But in 1 hour, in 1 minute, how much distance it is traveling? 6
Ma'am,
meters.
6 meter.
So how much time it is taken? Time taken is distance by 360 divided by 60, which is 360 divided by 6, which is 60 minutes. 60 minutes is 1 hour. We should take absolute value, children. In between distance, if you are calculating, we are taking only absolute value. That's about your chapter, children.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Ma'am, we need to verify it, ma'am. Verify that following.
Anubhav, what's your doubt, ma'am?
Ma'am, please open the question part. Ma'am, 7 question.
Yes, Nana.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of this line? If the ma'am, in the question number 7, if the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level, ma'am, means
Elevator descends into mine shaft at rate of 6 meters. Descent starts from 10 meters above the ground. That means if you see Anubhav,
yes, ma'am.
if you see, suppose you know what is elevator means. It's like a lift, beta. It's like a lift.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
lift is right now above the 10 meters. So this is position ground level. This is above sea level. What is this is 10 meters above. Here, this is the position of lift, position of elevator. Now what happened? They're asking the question to from that place to below the ground 350 meters. Why? Because below the ground they are measuring as a distance as negative. To reach here to from this position to this position, how much time it requires? They gave
Okay,
condition
ma'am.
also. In 1 minute, how much distance it is going? 6
6
meters.
meter.
That's why total distance is what here? From here to here, total distance is here 10, is 350.
Yes,
Total together?
Ma'am,
360
360.
meters. Divided by 6 meters. So you are going to
Yes,
get
ma'am.
60 minutes, which is
Okay.
equal to 1 hour. Understood,
Okay.
Nana?
Yes, ma'am.
Elevator is nothing but it's like a lift. Lift means it's like a lift.
Okay, ma'am.
There is a last question. We left their verification part. Of course, it is not true. Why you can say it's not true? By looking only, I'm telling. Why it's not true? Second bit, why it is not true? Anyone? Varshit or Anubhav, anyone from both of you, please? Why it is not true? Yes, why it is not true? Children, are you able to listen?
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
distributive property holds good for
Only that
multiplication over addition or multiplication over.
subtraction.
That's all. This means by you can write directly also, but they're asking to verify means you have to first do left part, right part to simplify and try it, children. Try to do it. Can you do and give the answer as a
Yes.
homework bit? Can you take second one as a homework, children? Do it. That's all for the day, children. We will start in next class another new chapter, which is fractions and decimals. And today, please, any one of you, please read all the points what we discussed in this class, please. Points we have discussed. Who will read?
Mm.
Who will read? Varshit or Anubhav?
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah, please continue. Start doing, Varshit.
Integers are a bigger collection of numbers which is formed by whole numbers and their negatives. These were introduced in class 6. You have studied in the earlier classes about the representation of integers on the number line and their addition and subtraction. We now studied the properties satisfied by addition and multiplication. Integers are closed for addition and subtraction both. That is a plus b and a minus b are again integers when a and b are any
Very
integers.
good, very good. B bit also, Varshit.
Adding is commutative property.
Addition is commutative for integers.
Addition is commutative for integers.
Hmm.
Example: a plus b is equals to b plus a for
Yeah,
all.
that's why we are telling. That's why commutative property means order changes. We can add in any order. We can multiply in any order. Right, right. Continue, Nana.
A plus b is equals to b plus a for all integers a and b. Addition is associative for integers. Example: a plus b plus c is equals to a plus b plus c for all integers a, b and c. Integer 0 is the identity under addition. That
Hmm.
is a plus 0 is equals to 0 plus a is equals to a for every
Hmm.
integer a.
Very
B
good. Very good.
Ma'am, can I
Wait,
read
wait,
now?
Varshit. Wait, Varshit. We'll go with Anubhav, these other points. Anubhav,
Yes, ma'am.
come on, Nana. Please, rest of the points conclude.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Varshit, listen carefully whether he is doing.
Ma'am, we studied how integers could be multiplied and found that product of a positive and a negative integer is a negative integer, whereas the product of two negative integers is a positive integer. For example, minus 2 into 7 equals to minus 14 and minus 3 into minus 8 equals to positive 24. Then
Very good.
product of even number of negative integers is positive, whereas the product of odd number of negative integers is negative. Integers show some properties under multiplication. First point, integers are closed under multiplication, that is a into b is an integer for any two integers a and b. Second point, multiplication is commutative for integers, that is a into b equals to b into a for any integers a and b. Third point, C1. The integer 1 is the identity under multiplication. For example, 1 into a equals to a into 1 equals to a for any integer a.
Yeah, very good. We can go
Multi
with the D bit also, then we will go with Anubhav.
Yes, ma'am. Now, multiplication is associative for integers. For example, a into b into c in equals to a into b into c for any three integers a, b, and c. Under addition and multiplication, integers show a property called distributive property. That is, a into bracket open b plus c bracket close equals to a into b plus a into c for any three integers a, b, and c.
Varshit, please 8, 9, 10 points.
Okay, ma'am. The properties of commutative, associative, under addition and multiplication and the distributive property help us to make our calculation easier. We also, ninth point, we also learn how to divide integers. We found the when a positive integer is divided by a negative integer, the quotient obtained is a negative integer and vice versa. What is this, ma'am? VICE?
Yeah, come on.
VICE. What is this, ma'am?
Yes. For any integer, a divided by 0 is not divided, a divided by 1 is a. That's all about your chapter, children. These are the basic points you need to be remember. Whenever in sleep also, if I'm asking, this point should be thorough. That's your first chapter. Competency based questions are somewhere it is posted in Drive, children. I will see and I will help you. While solving, we'll go with the next class. That's chapter number 2. What is the chapter number 2, children?
Ma'am, fractions and decimals, I think.
Yes, children. That's all for the day, children. Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye, Nana.